Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody? Take a look. These are Sunday finds from the flea market. Yeah, take a look, man. I got a 124 scale. ¿Es qué es?
Es que tiene dos wheels que yo vi mucho rápido que corrió en la calle.
Wow.
Ese es como super fast.
Es
Aquí
super
tiene
fast.
dos fires.
Oh, de aquí sale fire.
Sí, y yo me acuerdo.
Wow. My son's showing off his 300ZX.
Y aquí dice Hot Wheels.
He has Hot Wheels. But man, take a look. This truck right here, Chevrolet, 124 scale.
A truck 121 scale.
124 scale.
Oh,
Very nice.
very nice.
Yeah, racing champions. And also, like I was saying, man, take a look at these Ferraris.
Ferrari.
Testarossa from Revell, 124 scale.
124 scale.
124 scale. And this Lamborghini, also 124.
124. Yeah, 124 tiene sus llantas.
Yeah, and also take a look, man. This is some Matchbox. Subaru WRS STI. Man, I like this casting for sure. It's got tampons on the front.
I like
Police.
this one.
And let's take a look at this Plymouth, man. This is real nice. Very old school. No tampons on the back or the front. But very nice nevertheless. Very, very nice. And an Impala. 59 Impala. In carded. That's very nice. I don't think I have as many Impalas that are carded. Most of the ones I got are loose. And take a look at this blacked out. Oh, se volteó.
Sí, tú lo volteaste.
Sorry. Blacked out Johnny Lightning Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Very nice white interior, white wheels.
White wheels?
Sí, tiene las llantas blancas. Very, very nice. And also take a look, man. This is the 356A Outlaw Porsche. Also very nice. Urban Outlaw. And take a look. Musclemania Mopar. Another Plymouth GTX. Very nice interior. Very nice casting overall. And let's see what we got here. 56 truck. Ford truck with a hood that opens. Very nice gold interior. Very nice overall. And what's this? The Plymouth Roadrunner. Man, this thing is fire. Fire. Take a look at the hood and the sides. It goes well with the wheels. Very, very nice.
A mí me gusta y esa motorcycle.
¿Te gusta la motorcycle?
Sí,
What about this Lamborghini? ¿Te gusta este?
Sí,
A ver.
ese motorcycle.
This is from the Night Burners, 2 out of 10 for 2016. Very, very nice. Take a look at the wing. Very nice casting overall. And up next, Take a look at this Tomahawk Dodge.
Tomahawk.
Se llama Dodge Tomahawk motorcycle.
Motorcycle. A mí me gusta este.
¿Te gusta este?
Y
And take a look at this BMW.
y este.
I think I do have it loose.
You do have a loose?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Loose. But it's nice to have it carded.
Pero
So,
¿cómo,
also,
¿cómo se llama?
Dodge Viper. Este se llama Dodge Viper. SRT10.
¿Y este cómo se llama?
I think I do have one of these carded as well. It came with
¿Cómo
a
se llama este?
3-pack from se llama Tomahawk. Oh no, this is un Ford truck.
Ford truck?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. And take a look, another Integra, man. Told you guys I love this one, so had to grab it. Probably gonna start some customs and we'll see. If I ever mess up, I'll let you guys know. And Nissan Titan, very low, very, this thing is dropped.
Dropped?
It's slam.
Is this dropped?
It's dropped,
Oh, pero ese me lo dices hoy cuando se rompió su llanta.
He's saying the tires are tucked in. Very nice Nissan Titan. New models. This is from 07 Nissan Titan. Very nice, man. Also this 100 years Chevrolet trucks. Chevy 1500. Very nice, man. Take a good look. Very nice. I think I have the whole set. And this Honda Odyssey from the showroom. Very nice, of course. But yeah, let me see if I can open one of these without my kid making a mess. Give me 1 second. Alright, here it is outside the box. There's a lot of details. Ferrari. Nice tan interior. Yeah. And the door opens.
Door opens? Let me show.
No, tú rompes las cosas. Hazte para allá. Take a look at the back.
The back?
With the engine.
With the engine?
Yeah. And the other door. I don't know about the hood. I don't think the hood opens. Doesn't look like it. But there you guys have it, man. Very nice Ferrari. Some nice wheels. Cool casting. ¿Te gusta este?
Sí.
Well, there you guys have it, guys.
Almost have it, guys.
There you guys have it, guys.
What guys?
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, man. I got the trade box and one box full of goodies.
Food goodies?
Full of goodies, yes. So,
A box.
yeah. Stay tuned and hopefully this guy won't break this one.
Opens and the serves. Like it on me.
So, thank you guys. And stay tuned. And
stay tuned.
thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for guys for watching.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this one.